What do we got here, Gary?
We've got Billy Lupke's old Anglia that actually raced at Lowood in 1962. It raced at Surfers Paradise and Lakeside back in the 60s. Bill drove the car all the way down to Longford in 1965, racing the Australian Grand Prix around at Longford. Won a couple of races, got a couple of seconds. I got a bit of paperwork from Longford on some prize money that he won. We've got a logbook with the car from 1967. He lost the first logbook, which is a shame because it had all the lowered entries and everything in it. But we got the ones with Surfers Paradise and Lakeside in. We've got photographs of it racing everywhere but Longford. I'm looking for photographs of it from Longford down in Tasmania when he raced down there. Car number's 73, and I've just taken it up to Errol's place at Warwick. He's had it for 3 or 4 weeks, been working on it every day. And as you can see from the paint job, he's done a pretty good job because we have got some photographs somewhere of the car when we took it up there, and it was fairly rough. It was painted back in 1970, and the colour that you're looking at here is Vermilion Fire, which is a Ford colour that they had on the XW Falcons and XY Falcons of the period. And but the next job is to get it all bolted back together, so that's going to probably take me 3 years. It took 3 weeks to do it, it'll probably take me 3 years to bolt it back together. Thank you.
Subscribe to Gaz's TV.
Subscribe to Gaz's TV. Yeah. The plan is we're going to have one bloke in each corner here to make sure they go down the ramps. Right? One bloke in the front steering, so when it gets up here and that hits the ground, we got to steady the front as it comes down. So you want to be the steerer or the backer?
Okay. I'll film it.
Nope.
Here, can you film that, Mum?
Is it running?
That arrow's pretty smart.
Franny. Best girl in the world.
Purpose design.
subscribe to Gaz's TV.